What if you have to miss one of the live immersive days for the workshop? It depends. It depends on who you are and what your goals are. If you're just coming to the workshop, it's okay for you to miss. It's recorded for busy people, and you have lifetime access to the recordings plus all the bonus modules. So, as a mom of two, it is hard to make live things, especially when it's a full Saturday. So, I see you. It's recorded for you, and you'll get sent the link within 48 hours, if not sooner, after the workshop. If you want to be a master level certified practitioner, those live immersives are super important. So you're going to do everything in your power to get the childcare, to move the dates, to get the in-laws come, to take care of things, to get your partner to cover for you. You're going to come to those Saturdays. The reason I know you're busy people, I didn't want to block off a whole weekend. It's 4 Saturdays interspersed. So do everything in your power to be there. If you know in your heart of hearts you are meant to be a master level practitioner, you are meant to do this training, and you cannot make one of the dates, I feel you. We are real human beings. Message me. If it's just missing one of the days, message me. Sign up and we will make it work. Here's what we do for people who miss, who cannot miss. We have watch parties. So my beautiful assistant Margaret leads watch parties. We've already had them going, a few of them for my level 1 and 2 cohort. What you do is you all get on Zoom on a Saturday, or you all get on Zoom a Thursday evening, and you're all watching different things. You're on mute, you're celebrating, you're watching, and then she'll pause and you can ask questions about what came up. So we have a few watch parties each month just throughout the 6 months. And that way, anyone who missed an immersive can use that time to watch in community. And there's so many bonus modules. People sometimes like to come together and be like, oh, I'm going to watch the advanced Meridian training, which you all get access to, or you're going to watch the inner child modules, which you all get access to. And you can come together. And there's a few, 1 or 2 a month that you can get together and watch. So if you have to miss the main training, make sure to watch it within a week of missing it, and use the watch parties as a resource for yourself. Okay. And that way you will feel on the same page as everyone else.